Hey guys, this is a boat you don't see much of anymore, and it's a damn good boat. I'm surprised they don't make it anymore. It's an Imperial. It's got that wacky stern, concave stern on it. Anyway, it's a 96. I got it. It needed a motor, but I wasn't gonna let this thing go to the wrecker. It's a good boat, and you don't see many of them, and it planes like really easy. Those made by Plasteak out of Ohio, and they do a great job. I'll show you the inside. Side panels and the floors covers are made by Plasteak out of Ohio. They do a great job. And here's the motor. Your 3-liter 4. Like I said, if you have an opportunity to get one of these, I suggest you buy one, because this, like I said, this is a damn good boat. Wash down floor. It's very hard floor, it's not soft. It's just a well-made boat. Alrighty.